Hey there, spicy food lovers. Today I'm going to show you how to take your chicken wings to the next level with my spicy butterscotch wing sauce. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this sweet and spicy delight. Let's dive in. First, let's talk ingredients. For the wings, you'll need 2 pounds of chicken wings, 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce, ketchup, and sriracha chili sauce, a teaspoon of pepper, crushed red pepper flakes, and onion powder, plus half a teaspoon of salt. Got that? Great. Now for the butterscotch sauce, we're using half a cup of sugar, half a cup of warmed 2% milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter. And for that crunchy crumb topping, grab a tablespoon of butter, half a cup of panko breadcrumbs, 2 green onions sliced diagonally, 1 minced garlic clove, half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and 2 red bird's eye chili peppers if you want to bring the heat. Alright, let's get started. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Using a sharp knife, cut through the 2 wing joints and discard the wing tips. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, ketchup, sriracha, pepper, crushed red pepper flakes, onion powder, and salt. Add the wings and toss to coat them evenly. Line a pan with foil and grease it with cooking spray. Place the wings in the pan and bake for 10 minutes. Then reduce the heat to 350 degrees and bake until the juices run clear, about 12 to 15 minutes. Keep those wings warm. Meanwhile, it's butterscotch time. In a small skillet, spread the sugar and cook over medium heat without stirring until it begins to melt. Gently drag the melted sugar to the center so it melts evenly. Once it turns amber, carefully stir in the warm milk and butter. Simmer, stirring frequently until thickened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep that sauce warm. Next up, the crumb topping. In a large skillet over medium heat, melt the butter. Add breadcrumbs, 1 green onion, garlic, salt, and pepper. Cook and stir until the breadcrumbs are golden brown, about 2 minutes. Set aside. Alright, the fun part. Toss the wings in the butterscotch sauce until they're well coated. Then sprinkle with the crumb topping, remaining green onion and sliced peppers if you're feeling brave. Serve them hot and enjoy the sweet and spicy magic. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends at Craving Flavor King. You'll find the full recipe and backstory in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy eating.